Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for Gemstone business. Suppose I'm having a gem store and to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to build an integration between both these applications, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and then we have Vati in our action through which I want to send WhatsApp template messages. If you want, you can also take any other application over here in place of Vati, such as Interact or AI Sensi. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send WhatsApp message to our Facebook leads for Gemstone store. So let's suppose I'm having a gem store, and in order to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page which I have created with the help of Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for my gemstone, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead related to the discount offers which I have for the new customer. Okay. So we are going to automate this entire process by setting up a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in option. And this is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find our workflows if we have created any. And we can also create folders here to save the workflows. Okay. Now let's click on this create workflow option which is given on right corner. And a dialog box will appear in front of us which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for Gemstone. Okay, so I have entered the name, and now it is asking us to select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this test integrations folder, and we'll click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. So what are these windows? These are trigger and action. The trigger is the very first step of every workflow, and it says when this happens. And the actions are followed by steps which says do this. That means whenever the trigger commands something, the action follows that same command. Okay, therefore we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose in this workflow, we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Vati through which we want to send WhatsApp messages in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for our gemstone, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same customer with the help of Vati. Okay, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead with the help of Vati. Here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, then only the message is sent on WhatsApp, otherwise not. Okay, now after understanding this concept, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, and that is Facebook lead ads. So let's select it. The next is the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So our trigger event will be new lead instant, as we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, instantly the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response the workflow should get triggered. Okay, let's click on connect. And now from the given options, I'm going to select this add new connection in order to connect Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. Okay, if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. We will click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. And here our authorization has become successful. So after building the connection here, we can find that it is asking us two details, page and the lead gen form. In order to understand this, I'm going to take you towards my Facebook account. And on my Facebook account, I am running a page with a name as the Gem Store for my Gemstone business. And in order to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign for which I've also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated by submitting that form, the response of that lead should be automatically captured here in Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, we need to select our page over here. So the name of my page is the Gem Store. I have selected it. And now the next thing it is asking us us to select the lead gen form. So I have two options here. I want to select this contact form, as I want that as soon as a person is going to fill this particular form and submit it, then only the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. Okay, we'll click on save and send test request button. And we can find that here it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission by submitting this form so that the response of the form could be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And for doing that, I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers. Here we need to go towards more option, and under that we can find the option of tools. When you will click on it, it is going to take us towards developer tools. Now here under other developer tools, we can find the option of lead ads RTU debug tool. It has taken us towards lead ads testing tool. So with the help of this, we are going to basically test our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So as soon as I'm going to select my page and the form, and when I will submit the form over here in this particular lead ads testing tool, the response will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. And basically we are sending a test response towards Pabbly Connect because I'm not running any live campaign for my business on my Facebook page. Therefore, I could not send the response of a real lead. But in your case, once you will create this integration, if you are running any live campaign, automatically as soon as a lead will be generated by submitting your lead gen form, the response of that real lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now let me select my page. The page is the Gemstone and the form is already selected over here. So we will click on this preview form button to open a new form. But if you are using any existing form, then first of all you have to delete the existing lead from that by clicking on this delete lead button, and then you have to refresh the page over here so that a new form could be open in front of us. Okay, so let me open a new form. And this is the form, basically a contact form with the help of which I'm going to connect with my customers. So as soon as a person is going to submit this form along with all the details, automatically all the details will be captured in Pabbly Connect. And by using the details of that lead, I'm going to further connect with them in order to send them the discount offers. Okay, so let me start entering the details over here one by one because I'm doing a test submission. I'm going to enter dummy details over here. So let's start with the email. Let's say the email will be dummy78@pabblytudes.com. Here's the full name, let's say dummy user, and at last a random phone number. Now we'll submit the form. So the form is submitted. Now as soon as we have submitted the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that the response is automatically being captured over here with all the same details, email, full name as well as the phone number. This means that our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful, and now whenever a new lead will be generated for our Gemstone from Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Now my next objective is to send discount offers to this lead which is recently generated on WhatsApp, and for sending messages on WhatsApp, here I'm going to use Vati. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp. If you want, you can also use any other application over here in place of Vati, such as Interact or AI Sensi. And now I'm going to connect Vati over here in my action step. So let's move towards our action step. Our action application will be Vati over here. So let me select it. The next which we have to do is we have to select our action event. Our action event will be send template message. Let's click on connect, and now from the given options I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Vati account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now as we have clicked on add new connection, here it is asking us two details, API endpoint and access token. Now from where we are going to find both these details, the instructions are provided to us here. First of all, we need to go towards our Vati dashboard, and then we have to click on API docs. Under API docs we will find both the details, API endpoint as well as the access token. So let me take you towards my Vati account. We will go towards API docs, and here are both the details, access token as well as API endpoint. So first of all, let me copy the API endpoint and we will paste it here in this field, and then we will quickly copy the access token also, and we will once again paste it here in this field. Done. Let's click on save. In the same manner, you have to find both the details, and now our Vati account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further. Here we need to enter the details in these fields in order to connect our Vati account with Pabbly Connect. First of all, it is asking us the WhatsApp number, on which number you want to send the message. We want to send the message to our Facebook leads, and we have already received all the details related to our lead from our earlier response, that is from Facebook lead ads response. So we will simply map the data from there. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given, and here are all the details. We want to map the number which is given over here. Let us select it, and it is mapped. Now as we have mapped the number, it has become dynamic, and now it is going to change with each and every response. So whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads and the response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect of that lead, automatically this number is going to be replaced with a new number of that new lead. But in case if we will enter it manually over here, then it will become static and it is not going to change then with each and every response. Therefore the workflow will get stuck. Okay, so in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. The next is the template name. In order to understand this, I'm going to once again take you towards my Vati account, and we have to go towards template section. Now here are multiple templates which I have created for different purposes. For sending discount offers to the Gem Store leads, I have created this template, the Gem Store. Let me open it and show you. The name is given over here and the category which I have selected is marketing. I have used English language for sending the messages. You can also use any other language if you want. Okay. The next is the broadcast title. So I have used the broadcast title as the name of my company and the page, the Gem Store. Okay. And whatever we are going to select in our broadcast title is going to be shown in the header of the message in bold. Okay. But in case if you want to attach a particular image along with this message in the header, you can also use broadcast title type as image. And then you can attach the image over here. The next is the body. So this is the body of the message. Hi name, we hope this message finds you sparkling with joy. We wanted to share some exciting news. Our Gem Store is offering exclusive discounts just for you. Indulge in the mesmerizing world of gemstones and unlock incredible discounts up to 40% from vibrant rubies to elegant sapphires. We have a wide variety of precious gems that will add a touch of glamour to your collection. Don't miss out on this glittering opportunity. Visit our store today or shop online using the code GEMSALE to avail of these amazing discounts. Hurry, this offer ends soon. Happy shopping. So this is the discount offer which I want to send to my customer. I have kept a basic message. You can definitely customize your message in more creative way according to the requirements of your business and your choice. Okay. Now I have used a variable over here in this message that is for name. So wherever in the message we are going to use variable, the details of that place are going to change automatically. Now here we can find that it is showing hi dummy in the preview of the message. So it will not be same each time. With each and every response, this name is going to be replaced, but all the other details in the message are going to be same. So in this way, by using variables in our message, we can customize our message very easily and we can send the same message to different customers at the same time in the customized and personalized format. Okay, you can use as much variable you want in this particular template. Now, whatever variables you are using, you also have to provide a sample content for the variable, and the sample content is the dummy value which we want to use in place of the variable. As you can find, I have used the variable for name over here. So I have provided a sample content for the name, that is dummy name. Okay, you also have to provide dummy values for the sample content, and the value should not be exact. Okay, now once you will complete creating your template, you also have to send it for approval, and once it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send WhatsApp messages to multiple people. As my template is approved, I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect and I'm going to select the name, which we can find that is selected correctly, that is the Gem Store. Okay, so this is the same name of my template. The next is the broadcast name. In this field, we have to enter the broadcast title which we have used in our template. So I have used the name of my company as my broadcast title, the Gem Store. I'm going to enter the same over here. We have to enter the exact broadcast title in this field. The next is the custom parameters. This is very important step, as a single mistake in this particular step can make the workflow stuck. Here in this field, we have to enter the variable name as well as the value which we want to use in place of that variable. Okay, so whatever variables you have used in your template, you have to provide the custom parameters for each of the variable over here, and that too in the given format. So without taking any risk, I will simply copy the format and I will paste it over here in this field. And now I'm going to make the necessary changes in this particular format only. So in the place of name, the name of variable will come, and in the place of value, the value which we want to use in place of that variable will come. So the name of my variable is name. So here I'm going to enter name in place of color. Now the next thing is the value. So I want to use the value as the name of the Facebook lead, which we already have in our earlier response. So we will simply map the name, and as we have mapped the name, it is going to change with each and every response now. Okay. And whatever data we have entered manually, that means the name of the variable is going to be same each time. So the name of the variable will be same, but the value of the variable will change each time. Okay, in the same manner, you have to enter the custom parameters. Now we have entered the custom parameters in the exact format. So let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can find that we have received the response. Along with the response, we have also received the contact ID. This means that the message is sent on this particular number which we have mapped over here. So let's go and check on WhatsApp. And yes, we can find that we have received the message from the Gem Store. Hi dummy user, the name is given over here. We hope this message finds you sparkling with joy. Here's the same message which we have entered in our template. Okay, so this means that our workflow is perfectly fine and successful, and we have successfully built an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So now whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a customized message will be sent to that same lead with the help of Vati. Okay, so let us move towards Pabbly Connect once again, and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Vati. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our gem store, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead with the help of Bati for sending discount offers. In the same manner, by setting up a connection between both these applications, you can very easily create this automation, and this will enable you to automatically send WhatsApp message to your Facebook leads for Gemstone business. In this way, you can send the discount offers, product catalogs, and even the festive wishes to your customers without any manual efforts. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.